The Uniden R7 is widely praised for its extreme range and directional arrows, often called the best bang for your buck radar detector. But before you install one on your windshield, there are some important issues most reviews don't mention. Today on Auto and Moto, we're covering 5 real problems with the Uniden R7 that you need to know. First, it's extremely sensitive, sometimes too sensitive. While long-range detection is a major strength, the R7 often overreacts to non-threats. Expect frequent false alerts from automatic doors, lane assist systems, and even traffic sensors. Filtering options exist, but they take time to set up and don't always eliminate daily annoyances. Second, firmware updates are slow and outdated. Uniden hasn't maintained the R7 as actively as it should. Updates to fix bugs or add features are few and far between, and when they do come, installation can be a hassle. Many users struggle with USB recognition issues or unresponsive firmware utilities. Third, GPS lockout learning isn't automatic. Unlike other premium detectors like the Escort Max 360C, the R7 requires manual lockouts, meaning you must press a button every time it encounters a recurring false alert. It's not user-friendly, especially for drivers who want a more set-it-and-forget-it experience. Fourth, the build quality feels budget-grade. While performance is top-tier, the materials don't match. The plastic housing, buttons, and mount feel more entry-level than premium, and long-term users report fading displays, loose mounts, and peeling labels over time, particularly in hotter climates. Fifth, there's no Bluetooth or app integration. The R7 lacks built-in Bluetooth support, meaning it can't pair with your phone or a companion app for real-time cloud-based alerts. Competing detectors offer live threat sharing, crowdsourced data, and easier interface customization, all things the R7 skips entirely. In conclusion, the Uniden R7 delivers outstanding performance for the price, especially in detection range and threat accuracy, but it comes with compromises in usability, build quality, and tech features. If you're a radar detector enthusiast willing to fine-tune and tolerate a few quirks, it's still a solid pick. But for plug-and-play convenience, it may leave you frustrated. For more honest tech reviews and automotive upgrade insights, subscribe to Auto and Moto.